Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Priya. It's all about art. So spring is around the corner, so I thought why not make a rainbow painting for our kids. So let's get started with the sky blue background at first. In the wet background, use tissue paper to give a blended look of clouds. On top of it, just damp some white color like this so that you get a perfect cloud. You can use something circular to define the shape of the rainbow. Now it's time to start with the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and whatnot. It's so colorful. Let's enjoy coloring it. At the lower part of the painting, I am adding some bushes. First I am adding green, and then on top of it, I will add some dark brown color to give a depth. Here comes the last part. Add as many flowers as you want. It's all your choice. Enjoy coloring it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment if you have any question.